In this video, we're going to look at how to set and manage price lists for products and services in Sage Intacct. Sage Intacct uses what we call price lists as a container of the price entries for your products and your services that you want to use in your sales or purchasing transactions. The process of setting and managing price lists in Sage Intacct for sales prices is very similar to the purchase prices as well. So in this video, I'm going to look at setting up sales prices for your sales transactions. So we're firstly going to add the price list that we're going to use, and we're going to associate the price entries to the price list. Once we've created the price list and assigned the price entries, we're going to associate the price list to an object. Now, an object can be customer, item, transaction definition, just to name a few. But in this video, we're going to associate the price list to a transaction definition. And once we've associated the price list to the transaction definition, we're going to raise a sales transaction. So I'm going to go to Applications, Order Entry, Set Up, Price, and I'm going to click on the plus sign just next to this. In the price list information, this is where we'll create our price list. We're going to give our price list a name. We're going to say basic price list. The start date is the 1st of March 2024. The end date is 31st March 2025. The status is on active, and we save our price list. We've created our price list. We're going to associate our product and services prices with this price list. Go to Details and select the item. Start date 1st of March 2024. End date is 31st March 2024. And we're going to select the currency, ZAR. On the value type, you can either select if it's an actual amount, a markup discount, or a discount percent. So our value type is going to be actual. And on the fixed, you can select between a yes or no. So I'm going to flag it as no. The status is active and save. Now I have my entry added. Price list can be imported if you have a lot of items that you want to add prices for. So now that I've created my price list and associated it with a price entry, I'm going to assign my price list to a transaction definition. I'm going to go back to Order Entry, Transaction Definitions, and select the transaction. I'm going to edit the sales order. Scroll down to Pricing and Terms section, and the initial price list, I'm going to select the price list that we just recently added, which is Basic Price List 002. Now, if you have additional price lists that you want the system to look at, that's when you will select the special price and the price list to update. So in this case, the system will look at the initial price. If the fixed flag is yes, then it will stop on the basic price. But if the fixed flag is on no, then it's going to move to the next layer, special price, then present your suggested price. So now that we've associated our pricing with the transaction definition, I'm going to save, and now I'm going to create a sales order. Go back to Order Entry, All, on the transaction order, click on the plus sign just next to sales order. Input all the relevant information, your customer, transaction currency, and select the item. Just by selecting the item, I have the price that is pulled from the price list that I've just added. And that is how you would set and manage price lists in Sage Intacct.